Bonjour, hi, welcome to the stream. I'm Frank Boucher, I'm a Microsoft Cloud Advocate, and welcome behind my cloud. This playground for me, where I have fun with you, we code, we share, we learn. It's a safe place to ask any kind of question, tech related, work from home related. Maybe you are a junior, you're on a career, you have core questions, stuff like that, and like you're too shy to ask to your team lead or your boss or a manager or whatever you want to call it. It's a safe place here. All the cloudies are very friendly. And I don't bite. I always make sure I have a nice breakfast or lunch or whatever before I stream, so no bites. That's a promise. Welcome aboard, everybody. Today we have a lot of work to do. It seems I thought that nothing was kind of in the pipeline, but I'm looking to the boards and there's tons of stuff, so I'm super excited because today I want to package. I would like to release a new version, or like be very, very close to. No, I would like to release a new version of the AzUrlShortener and TinyBlazorAdmin. Is it me or the music is loud? Maybe it's only on my side. Whew. Feel loud. Yeah, those two projects, they are a URL shortener with a nice interface, super budget friendly. So I want to publish that new version. So it looks pretty, it's working and everything. So I want that. And after that, I want to do some GitHub maintenance. I saw some PRs, so pull requests, in other projects. I want to look at it. Can we merge it quickly? Maybe they will need my attention. So maybe, not sure tonight I will have time, but and also eventually I would like to ease that deployment of those two tools to be back at closest as possible as one click. I know it's not possible, but if it could be I don't know, like there's a few manual steps at the end with the configuration of the security for Azure Active Directory, and it will be so nice to remove that, manual step and have like, hey, just run that script, or the script run automatically. That would be nice. I didn't work on that initially because I wanted to move forward quickly, so maximum of person can try things, but now I think it needs to go back and clean, and also having something cleaner and more workable. Then it gives me the opportunity to jump on another project, maybe on that stream, and have that work done kind of in the offline or with you. So let's start with the plan of today. What should we do? TBD Gamer!
Hi.
Bonjour! Hi, how are you? I should share my... I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. I'm refreshed. I'm really looking forward to go outside. We received a little bit of snow yesterday, about 50 centimeter with wind, so sometimes it go higher, create blades, snow blades and stuff like that. So yeah, it will be fun. Okay, so let's start with the to-dos. So to do, we should merge the dev branch in vNext, I think. So merge vNext, no, merge merge a dev branch into vNext. For AzUrl shortener. Oh yeah, I mean to do add, obviously. There it is. And now I could start again. TinyBlazor Admin. God, I repeat the same error twice. Can you believe it? And I say I'm all good and everything. I think I'm lying. Oh my god. Yeah, more clouds. And a pile of Dreamwhip just here. TBD Gamer, the dev streamer tool that you're building, is it for the live coder, or it will be like at large, or just for you to play, try to do something on like having fun with Blazor? I reduced a little bit the music. It's for everyone. I'm not a member of Live Coder anymore. Oh. I didn't know that. Was it your decision? Oh, like, you know what? Don't answer that. I'm sorry to ask. That's a stupid question to ask. It's not if you leave, but it is if you didn't, so don't answer. And for those who don't know, live coders are a team on Twitch, so you could be part of different teams. Live coders is one very big, with a lot of people supposed to be focusing on helping others and things like that. There's many different language supported, so I'm part of the live coders. Voila. Oh, that's excellent. Yeah, being friendly. So yeah. But you know what? I should do that. I don't do it often enough. Shout out to TBD Gamer, who stream most of the time later, much later, so in about 6-8 hours. For me, it's always the night when he streams. Very interesting. He's working right now on a fun project where you can search for dev streamer and stuff like that. Pretty cool, done in C# Blazor. Yeah, super cool, super nice. Another very casual stream. There's not 300 people, so you can read the chat. He will answer your question, talk to you. It's not like, you know, when there's... Sometimes I watch the gamers and they have like 2,000 people in their chat. It's like, how can they read everything? Plus, keep track of what's happening in their screen. Like, it's not code. It's a game. Like, it's... It depends. Like, if it's turn-based, I could do that. I should. Maybe I could. Wasteland 3. Anyone interested? Let me know. And if you're watching that on YouTube, let me know in the comment. But yeah. Okay. So yeah, let me share the screen. So we have 2 tasks right now, and let's add Wasteland 3 is a good game. Yeah. Now I have, so in Wasteland 3, you help someone to get back in touch. Let's put it that way. I don't want to spoil too much. You got three children, 2 boys and 1 girl. And right now I found one. I brought it back, and now I did a bunch of different stuff, and now I think I need to go and find the second one. Like, there's no more mission I can do except that one. And like the girl, I think it's the last one, the last thing you do mostly of the game, or maybe not. And I really like the game, and it's kind of, I want to play all the time, but then I don't want to finish it because it's so fun. So it's, and yeah, this last week I didn't play. Did I play? Oh yeah, I played Battlefront 2. Yeah, last week, and I was really bad. No, it was during the weekend. So last week I didn't play at all. Is it true? I think it's true. Oh yeah, I was binge watching Netflix. I don't want to do that anymore. I need to pace myself. Oh yeah. I play. So I played the campaign, and I couldn't even finish it. I was always dying. I'm super bad. But like, I've played so much like turn-based and stuff like that that my thumb has lose their accuracy. I think, at least that's what I was telling me. Like, Frank, don't worry. It's just like, it's your thumb. They're rusted. Okay, let's share the screen. Yeah, okay, share the screen. Let's go for half and half. And one thing I want to do is just add one more, because I don't want to forget about it. So to do add, we'll add probably more as we go through the like merging stuff. But GitHub maintenance. I want to visit. I saw I had other maintenance. I saw I had the sorry about that. If I go here, and that's all you see. Okay, well, add other. So AzUrlShortener has a bunch of PR.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey, Jason. Welcome aboard. How are you, mister? Ha! Name change? Yeah, Jason. How come it's not Jason TV? Jason GNTV? Jason has an issue with multiple personality. Is medicated most of the time, but yeah. I used to be his name, and he changed for GNTV, but I'm assuming maybe he's in a different PC or something like that. On, not in. So yeah, so okay. We need to have the one-click deployment possible. There's a bunch of bump. I think they will be resolved when we merge. Okay, so that's cool for all of those. Like, let's check the bumps. I want to remove those. I saw Stefan like created a new version. He took everything that was V1 and brought it in his own repo. The goal of that was to make it easier to maintain. So I'm not against it. Maybe, like, I didn't see it was complicated, but maybe it was for him. So I don't know. Maybe I should do a version, but on mine, since it's my project. I don't know. Like, I need to think about that. Like, but not this. The one-click deployment. Let's open it. Oh yeah, let's, you know what, I start with the third thing, so yeah, I tend to prioritize you guys. Folks, cloudies, time GitHub maintenance. Yeah, I need to change that. Fire stick. Oh, is it one of Uru or Chromecast or things like that, Mr. Jason? You wanna join me today? Like, I'm doing some merge stuff, but maybe you wanna stay casual, not open all your lights and everything. Okay, so that's where you say you move everything there. Okay, so we'll keep track of that later. I need to think about that. Not against it, but at the same time. Okay, and then TinyBlazorAdmin got one new screenshot image missing. I fixed that. Oh, did I just push it in main? Yeah.
Bonjour. Hi.
Hey, Stefan, we were talking about you. Does your ear were buzzing?
I need to mute myself. I didn't keep my mute button.
Turn back the volume. Okay, so that's cool, but it's fixed in dev. So, okay, you know what? That's excellent. That was cool. Just a fan today. Excellent, Jason. No problem with that. If you're watching me on TV, I'm mostly full size, right? We received a little bit of snow yesterday. Apparently between 1 and 2 feet, 50 centimeter, and with the wind, it created blades. Like, you know, like that's very usually with the wind create like some waves of snow. I think that in English you say snow blades. So they even closed portion of the highway and stuff like that yesterday for a few hours. Not because of the amount of snow, but mostly because of the wind. When, like in that area, when it's windy, you don't see where the roads start and end. So like, it just looks like a super wide white area, and you don't know, am I on the road? This road is turning right now. So they cut it. They closed it. Okay, so that's cool. So we should be fixing that, doing the merge. Other than that, automatic video converter. Well, like that's pull requests. Purpose. Does this introduce a breaking changes? Yes. T blah 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 blah. Update. Why are you doing a PR? Like you change everything? I think that was... Okay, then it's not clear how to do that because... Yeah, okay, well, get in touch with him. So we'll keep that one on read. I thought I had something in the subscription cleaner. Five days ago. So look like, is it big enough? I can make it bigger. So the Azure subscription, AZ subscription cleaner is a project that deletes everything that is expired. In fact, a project could be running on the Azure Automation or Azure Function based on a schedule, and every, let's say, Monday, it runs a query, find all the resources that have a tag with a date that is called, like, it's looking for a tag called expired on, but that's like, it could be called a tag blah blah, and the value must be a date, and if the date is in the past, then the resources is considered outdated, expired, and then it will delete it. So that's what this project does. I can share if you are interested to have a look. So when you create a bunch of demo, and that's why I create that tool, is when you have a bunch of demo and stuff like that, it's interesting to be aware and clean up your stuff. So yeah. What do you say, Stefan? Created yesterday, try and finally succeed, but the first fail a few times. A new deployment of V2, maybe there's not yet an issue when the name is already long and get too long. You're talking about the AzUrlShortener, Stefan, or about this one? Because AzUrlShortener. Okay, well, I saw your message. We're just looking at it earlier that you move V1 out. I thought I did something to control that, so maybe we need to check that again. So here's changing. We'll open the Azure portal development farm for you. You will need to give it a name and select a location where you would like to deploy. So now you will not need anymore to create a role. Okay. Okay, it's removing the images. So now the schema, adding a description, a branch, that's cool. A few variable, source name, contribution. That's bad, you are coding stuff. Okay. But if I look this, why are you using it? So we can do role assignment. It's cool. We could probably also use that in the AzUrlShorteners with the TinyBlazorAdmin. Then Okay. I will need to test that, and today I want to work on the other project, but it looked kind of pretty good. Kind of super excited about that. That look amazing, amazing. I will try that. Yips. Oh, what was it? I'm not sure. Do I need a space here? Oh, I'm sorry. It was behind me. How do I create a checkbox? Oh, is it this? How can you create a checkbox? Oh. Needed a space. There it is. Cool. So this is called an hyphen? I thought it was dash. Synonyms? Cool. I like that. So let's put some. I will do that. Assign it to me, and let's put some labels. Enhancement. That's it. Touch the documentation. Cool. Boom. Same. Cool. Thanks. Excellent. So that's cool. I'll need to check that. So I'm done with that. I think I did the tour of all the stuff that I can look at it today. Okay, so let's look AzUrlShortener. So we'll do to do done 3. And by the way, I'm super happy with the PRs. Stefan, I need to think about moving all v1 in your repository. I'm not against it. I'm just not sure that's what I want. Like worst case, we could put it back. So your work over there won't be lost. That's what I want you to know. But like you're totally free. Like there's no stuff. Like you could have a fork and keep the v1. We could do that, but like I think it needs to stay in my repo. But at the same time, I don't have all the answers, so I need to kind of think, and also maybe ask around, like, hey, like when you don't want to maintain V1, how do you do? But yeah, but I'm glad like you're still trying to have V1 working and stuff like that. That's really appreciated. Like, really. Okay. I should put like this so we all know that Jason doesn't want to show up on the that's not true. You know what? That's how you know I'm happy today. Making fun. Okay, so we're done with that. So now let's start the merging stuff. To do start one, and so I want to add some time stuff. Let's have a look. So, so that was an issue also, right? It's a little bit small. Tools, zoom it, boom. Let's make it big. So I tried to use this project, blah blah blah. So the problem was this, okay? I thought it was fixed. Yeah. PR 110, 190. Let's go see that on GitHub. Yeah, maybe fixed by that. Was it merge? Right? Yeah, so it got merged. No, it's still open. It's still open. Why did I not merge that? I think because there was something, I forgot what it was. Okay, we'll keep that one on the side right now. We'll merge dev into vNext, and we'll see what still apply or not. I think that will be the best. What do you think? What do you think? I think that's what we will be doing. AzUrlShortener. So let's take dev. Am I up to date on everything? Fetch all. Yes. So I want to take dev and I want to merge it into, not main, into vNext. Why it's not pulling my stuff? Okay. You know what? I have no clue. So dev is here. Where is vNext? vNext is here. So between those two, what did we? We had the CI/CD. Is it the only thing? What was that one? Oh, that was the randomizer? When I was a better management if the vanity exists. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, and we had the stats. Okay, cool. Because, you know, like if I'm doing a pull request, we need to know what's in there. So again, so from dev to vNext. Stats. No, let's do adding stat to the sticks and other improvement. Okay. Adding new vanity. Hey, Ben BTGs. A fellow GitKraken user. Oh, I love GitKraken. I love it, GitKraken. In fact, I love them so much that I'm one of their ambassador. No, not ambassador. Yeah, ambassador. That's their title. So this dev CI/CD and a few bug fix. Bug fixes. I don't know, plural, English, grammar, it's hard. Come on. Okay, so create a pull request. Let's do that. Let's go on GitHub. So if you know what, let me share. So this, let's pause for a second. So this project is paired with another project called TinyBlazorAdmin website. Where is it? Here you have many different thing, and you have the TinyBlazorAdmin website, and it looks like that. It's another project. We want to merge that today. So it helps you to manage short URLs and see the statistics and stuff like that. So it's using Azure function. That's the part we're working on, and the TinyBlazorAdmin website, that's the front end. You could have many different front end. There's Cloudies here in the chat that created front end with like automated flow with 365 SharePoint, PowerShell. There's something with the Excel when you want to do a bulk load and stuff like that. So there's plenty of tools. You could use it with like just pure REST API call if you want, so kind of headless. But today I want to work on this package. It looked nice. It will be my kind of prime thing. So I want to push that new version so it's nice. People can start using it. And we should be able also to improve a little bit the deployment, but maybe not today. Also, by the way, today, so we'll still have an hour, 10 minutes to go. I have a meeting. I need to rehearse with my team because I have another presentation tomorrow. Talking about presentation, yesterday I had a presentation internal at for an event, a summit we have in the DevRel environment. So if you don't know me, I'm a cloud advocate. I worked at Microsoft, and yesterday we had an event. We don't talk too much, like we talk about the event, but we don't talk about what's inside because it's kind of internal. But I can share something with you. So at the beginning of the talk, we want to show to the audience that when you're not native English, it could be hard to follow what's happening and stuff like that. So we decided that I will start the presentation in full Québécois. So like I was going for even my colleague from France or stuff like that. Like I said, I success if they don't understand what I'm saying. So I was picking my word to be really, really local. But so like in theory, mostly nobody would understand those 30 seconds when I'm speaking French. I was super stressed. So I learned that even if nobody hears you, not hears you, but understand what you're saying, it's still, still pressure. But it was fun. It was fun. People laugh. So smile. I saw a few smile emoji. So we got our point. It was fun. But the presentation was good after that. It was just a few seconds, and after that we switch in English. Okay, so this is our stuff. There's a lot of things. Big PR. Look like there's no conflict or anything. Should we merge? Just like, poof. I think we do it. What do you think? Yes or no? Thumbs up, thumbs down. What should we do? I think we do it. Oh, should I prepare? Maybe I should prepare before I push to vNext. Maybe I should prepare the same PR but on the TinyBlazorAdmin website. So in case there's something there that is broken, at least here, like both, vNext are compatible right now. So if it's just PR, then it will still be compatible. Yeah, I think I will do that. Oh, I think it is compatible. If we go, I think I already have a PR, right? So that's AzUrlShortener. That's my improvement. Why can I not improvement? How do you? What's wrong? Improvement? Oh, okay. There it is. So let's go in Fujifilm. You're very quiet today. So here, so let's do time. Can I start two at the same time? Let's try that. It should be possible, right? To do, start, two. I can do two to do at the same time. Does it make me more productive? I don't think so. I should be super chill. The music is good today. So main to unit test. To main. Oh, I can close that thing, right? everything is in dev right now. Yeah, this thing, I don't need it anymore. So I should, yeah, do not merge. Yeah, no kidding. I'm not merging that. Closing, oh yeah, no. Let's do a little drop. Let's do a time. Voila!
Yay!
Thank you, CB. Thank you. I need to work on CB. I have so many projects, and I think I should like stream every night, but then I will burn out, so I won't do that. There it is, Freda. Freda the cat. It's a real cat, but she's not playing for real. 40. She even had better score than I did. Okay, so close with comment. Yeah. Closing. Yeah, let's do that. I hate this game. Hey! How are you, Mr. Bald Bearder Builder? Nice to see you. Like, I don't know why I didn't see you. Your name is in cyan. It's just like aqua flashing in my screen. I really like your video. By the way, you know, let's do that. I won't repeat his name. I will say Michael for the rest of the stream. Did you know that he changed his name just so it will be harder for me to say it? It's an untrue story. But it's very fun that way. So yeah, so Bald Bearded Builder. He's an awesome streamer, just getting back to it, and these days he's doing a bunch of videos. Do you want to drop your YouTube channel, Mike? Michael Jolie is a real life name, and these days he's releasing a bunch of videos, super nice. I think it's one by week if I'm not mistaken, about Visual Studio Code extension. And this week it was the extension about, yeah, cool. Every 2 a week. You're just crazy, buddy. You're just crazy. 2 a week. You have a death wish? Or maybe it's a command? Someone, how do you say that, like in English? Is it a contract? That's a lot of videos. Because those videos are not like streaming. Oh, no more coffee for me? It's been easy while I wasn't streaming. Yeah. I know. I know. Some people on my French channel are requesting some video about some certification, and they want some certification for AZ 104 or like 400 or like some.
Bonjour.
And those
Hi.
trainings are like, yeah, 14 hours of training. It's like, yeah, I won't do both. Hey, Belladas, hello. But I want to do more video. It's been a while since I did like full-fledged video. Just I was busy, but well, though I like to be busy, but I want to be efficient. Yesterday I was watching some stuff, and it really resonate with me. So I want to be efficient. So this now is closed, so we could create a PR. So let's go back and get cracking. If if you would like to play with GitKraken, you can have it for free. Just use !referrals in the chat. You bring you to a link where you can download, but like you're not forced to, just my referrals. So it will give you a chance to win. I think these days it's a gift card they give away every month or quarter. And for me, they just know that, hey, Frank did his job as an ambassador. So it's a referral, but you could totally go at gitkraken.com and download it from there. Okay, TinyBlazorAdmin website. It's tiny. Why it's so tiny? Because my screen is big. Okay. And I didn't stay that long yesterday, Michael, but what's your project you're working on these days? I forgot what it was. Was it the chat thing you were working on? I forgot. Why I don't remember. Maybe because it was the tech that I didn't understand, though. I didn't know, because understand, like, you know, a loop is a loop. Yesterday we were using YouTube API to add my latest video to my personal site. If you're interested, I want to share you some project I did. That one. So that's it's using Azure function, and it's called the YouTube API to get your statistics. Because when you create playlists, the statistics of that playlist, it's not equal to the sum of all the statistics on your individual YouTube videos. And sometimes if you're pushing to another channel, like I do sometimes, like I push my videos on the Microsoft channel, then I don't want, like, it's hard for me to aggregate like all the numbers together. So this, if you create a playlist on anywhere, and you could have a playlist with video from different YouTube channel, okay? So anything that is in this playlist, you could then like go get the video from a playlist, and what that thing does, it will run for each video individually and bring the statistics. Because when on YouTube, when you look in the playlist, the statistics, it's people looking through that playlist. So if anyone found the video directly, those statistics in the playlist won't get updated. But this thing will get you like the real statistics. So if you're interested, like it's a one thing, like I was planning to do more because I want to understand like what works, or like where I don't plan to be famous on YouTube, but I want to understand what people want so I could help them better, because I do that for fun and for free. So you know, my time is precious. So yeah, so like if you're interested, take it. It's there. It's in C#, so you should be able to understand. It should be very easy. It's an Azure function, so super easy to deploy and have tests. And if you want to add more stuff, let me know. I could add you as a collaborator. If you want to keep it on your side and fork it, I'm fine with it also, like no problem. But yeah, it's there if you're interested. That's cool. So you put the video on your... So you're not using an iframe? Not sure I understand what you mean when you say I am interested, because I do something similar with my little blog here, Behind My Cloud. That's the name of kind of my Twitch thing. So I archive everything there. But that's a GitHub repo turned into a web page. The only thing I really like about that, you know, with the fact that you can have all the archive, is now if you in that section here, like you have all the archives, so that's cool. I could show to my boss, yeah, I've been doing that for a little while, you know. Or what I like and what I was proud of is this tab project here. Now what it does, because before I was maintaining that manually but now it's automatic, so I'm pretty happy about that. So it will group by project all the stream. Alright, so trivia game, see like a stream, oh maybe it's small, so trivia game, right, that's our Friday games, Friday stream with Jason, so like 156, 54, 50, so it's not all the stream, it's just the stream related to that, and it's done automatically. So when you want to know like what's that build story of that project, here you have it. On YouTube, when I upload them, like I also have a playlist, but you know, from there you also have that. Well, that's cool. See, Michael, you just land. Hey, Robert Table, welcome aboard. Oh, yeah, it's Michael. Like your purple vibe, Michael. That's nice. So you wanna, when you upload that automatically, hey, happy Wednesday. The belly button of the week, Wednesday. Not sure if translate very well, but that's a French expression. You know what? At the radio, they must be happy about everything, right? So it's like, yeah, Monday, let's kick off this new week, blah blah blah, and like middle of the week, so it's belly button of the week, and like Thursday, mostly Friday, and Friday, like it's the weekend already. You know, it's always happy about something. So I heard the first time the belly button of the week, Wednesday, because it's in the middle. Yeah, exactly. Thursday is Friday Eve and Friday is weekend. Like, hey, no, I still have the full day to do, but anyway. But I'm a Monday lover, so I like Monday. So that's cool. So Michael, you're saying when you want to upload to what? That's when you upload to YouTube, you want to populate that thing automatically? Is it what you're planning to do? I never heard the belly button of the week. Do you like it? Is it what you're saying? You have swag. Nice. I have this one. I have this one, guys. It's super comfy. In fact, I was sleeping with it. When I upload to YouTube, it triggers a build on my site with them pull. Okay, cool. Like that. That's nice. Maybe I could use that. Because right now with my notes right now, like my stream notes are in the draft folder, so they don't appear on the website, and when the stream is released, like my archive is released always 1 week after, so it gives me time to, you know, like edit the note, edit the video and stuff like that, create a fantastic thumbnail, and then like I just move it to the folder for the month, but that could be automatically done. The only thing is, how do I find the proper file to move? So that was like my one thing. I could have a task that run and move the file so it knows, but maybe, oh yeah, the date will be consistent. So like if I look the date if I go on my YouTube channel. No, it's stream 1. Oh, so yeah, stream 1. Yeah, so it's stream. Yeah, okay, so if I need to find stream, and that's the beginning of my content, I could move this way. And then from this, move it to the good folder. Yeah, I could automate that. Oh, less work. Like that. Like that. You know what you just did, Michael? You just remove a lot of hours of sleeping tonight. I think I will be coding. Like automating stuff. Okay. Just create work more. Yeah. But automation is smart work, right? Because you do it once and then you're done. But right now, the thing I really want is going back to my reading notes project, because the software I'm using is a Mercury tool. So I think Kindle, the Amazon changed their API. So now like all the clip and Mercury and all the tools. Hey, thank you Coil Twitch Butt for the cheers of 100. Super appreciated. I hope, you know what, I will take note of that. Just to make sure. Thank you, it's very, very appreciated. I don't know why I deserve that, but thank you. So yeah, so all those tools right now, they don't work anymore. So the only one that works is the Kindle one, like the Kindle extension. It's very small, right? So this extension right now, it's the only one that's the native of Amazon. Like usually I use Mercury, and I have sometime this one is working better, because sometimes depending on the formatting of the blog post, those extensions, what they do, they remove everything, just keep the article, and you could send it to your e-reader. For me, it's a Kindle white paper. That's I've been using. It's my second one. I only read on that. I don't read on the screen most of the time. And now those extensions don't work. So I need to use the send to Kindle, but it's not working all the time. You need to highlight, like it's more complicated. And also every time I'm trying to clean up my Kindle, it requires more clicks because it's not sync, and I have a bunch of warnings and stuff like that. And I created a tool that can, with one click, grab, clean, it create a container and send it, and everything is sync. And then like it even save all the information in a database. But now I need to update. I have a website that I use to build my reading notes that I publish every Monday. I have a tool so I could edit, so I don't have any software installed on the machine. I could just go there. So I need to change that tool so it could read from that source. I need to do that because now it's broken. And even Mercury is an open source project, but they didn't touch it for a while. So, and yeah, and I'm not I could dig into it though and fix it, or like, but even the PRs are there. They don't do the PRs. They didn't do anything. Oh yeah, automation is fun for me too. Like that's one of my favorite stuff. Okay, enough. Get back to TinyBlazorAdmin. So we need to create a pull request. I was like, what we're doing? Where were we? Where were we? Is it English? Where were we? Okay, so I want to take dev and bring it to vNext, right? Right. Before I do that, vNext, like it's everything, right? Dev. We did so much work. Yeah, okay, cool. So I'm taking dev, bringing it to vNext, start pull requests. Um, should put it's sync, fusion, grid, and charts. Bug fix. Is it bug plural and fix singular? How do you like bugs fix? It's bug fixes. Feel like this is the one, bug fixes. Like, but I'm not sure. When I read that in my mind, I understand like there's one bug and many feet fix. I don't understand why it's not bug fixes. Like in French, it would be like this. No, in French it will be, I don't know. It will be, yeah, probably both. Yeah, I think that's it for now. So assign to me, pull request. Let's go in GitHub. 45 minutes. Can we make it? What do you think? When you need to scroll 5 minutes on your PR, that's where you know it's too big. It's too big. So who's the leader today? Scores. TBD Gamer in Neverland, or maybe you didn't play. Okay, so I'm the last one with a score, and Mike, you're the first one. You're leading today, and oh, I just get a higher score. Yay! You're still leading, so don't be afraid. Pascal Jobin was leading last week with 98 or something like that. So today's lucky player is Freda the cat. I think the cat landed twice at least. Pretty cool. So you still land, Michael. Just didn't beat your high score. Jeff hats. So even if Jeff is not there, he's still rocking it. Jeff hats. 52. Okay, so I think that's looking good. So there's no conflict. And there's no conflict. Oh, I closed too many. I want to be here. I want to be here. I want to be here. So let's do it. Let's merge. I'm merging. Let's break everything. We're not breaking it. It was working in dev environment. We're just moving codes. Okay, Google Master. Wanna become famous? It's definitely not by doing that on my stream. It's not ban? Oh no, it's this. So now you see I'm trying to ban him. Boom. It's not banned. What is it? Damn it. It's banned. Oh, I need to specify a reason now? Okay.
Bonjour. Hi.
Cool. Hey, Tête d'Ampoule, how are you? How are you today? Happy to see you. Sorry if anybody typed anything before. I kind of cleaned my mess. Do I see the message somewhere else? I don't think so. Lost track of everything. Cool. So it's merge. So in TinyBlazorAdmin. So how come I don't have? I didn't put the Oh, I don't have the Pendabot installed on that project. Interesting. So now that all those things are all now that I updated, if I go in code, now vNext, where is it? vNext, boom. So vNext is here. So now I could check if those things here. Oh no, no. So yeah, okay, I still need to update because I was moving it, I think, to 501 I think. So no, but they are targeting 502, but I'm not doing that now. No. Last time I had a lot of nightmare upgrading without testing, so I need more testing. But I think we're moving to main. Yeah. Okay. Time. Let's do this. We'll do to do done 1 and to do done 2. Yeah. And we'll do to do add this and we'll start it. To do, that's long. Start. I need to have I think I will need to build myself a nice UI and I will just click. This is long. I need to like, I don't think, Michael Jolly, you have to-dos on your stream, right? I need to ask who has to-dos. I think it's Jeff, how you manage that. I don't remember seeing him doing it like I do. So that's 4, right? Yes. Okay. So now in TinyBlazorAdmin website, vNext. Boom, updating vNext, that's cool, but we want to take vNext and merge it to main. Yeah. I want the same stuff as before. I don't want to retype everything. Haha, Copper Birdie? Yes, it's you. Hello, my friend. Oh. Guess what I got yesterday by mail? I got some seeds for my garden, so I will be able to start soon. Yeah. Bunch of stuff. Looking forward to have fun with that. That will be cool. But not outside, because outside now there's 2 feet of snow. Freshly fall, so on top of everything that was already there, probably. So I'm assuming right now if I go outside, I definitely have snow up to my knees everywhere. I think by the side of the road it was easily to my armpit if it's not higher. Maybe it's armpit and then they just push it like it's just more thick. But yeah. We received a little bit of snow yesterday. Not a little bit. We received some snow yesterday. And it was windy, so it's always fun. Yup. So let's create a pull request. Boom. That's done. So now let's go to. Oh, did I mixed it? I mixed it. It's good. Let's go AzUrlShortener. We'll update my local one. And now we'll go vNext to main. Sometime, I think it's because I didn't do any yeah, very happy about that. So shout out to Copper Birdie, who's another fantastic streamer. If you don't know him, go see his Twitch channel. He streams mostly every day, doing a bunch of stuff. Sometimes it's gaming, sometimes it's coding, sometimes it's coach challenge. Pretty happy. If you're a dog lover also, he got 2 big dogs, sorry, S's. And they have their own camera. I cannot do that because my little one, though today she's not there, but yeah, I think she will. I have conflict. Get up. Get up. Get moved. Okay. AzUrlShortener have conflict. What's the conflict? I want to see the conflict. 1 dog. Oh, just 1? But that's for 2. I thought you had 2 dogs. Oh, a few years back? I'm sorry then. I thought it was 2. It's definitely 1 if you say. If you say it, it's because it's true. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I think I want to keep what's in main. I feel like that just broke my like eventually anyway I need to do this. I think they fixed it, by the way. The arm deploy was broken. I did I opened a ticket and I think they fixed it now. I think it was yesterday they fixed it, but I'm not changing my workflow this morning because, you know, that thing, like I could do it the way I want, but like should work with just like, hey, deploy my arm template. So if I'm in the, I was in which project? AzUrlShortener. Let's open AzUrlShortener here. My workflow. Now I'm in dev. So it should be AZ GitHub URL dev credential. Yeah. And that's it. And then the run. Oh, run is here. Okay, so I need to remove all that. Okay, cool. There it is. So, Resolve. This page is out of date. Start over. Oh, you're not fun. Leave. That's not nice. Okay. What? Okay. There's no more conflict. Excellent. Ready to break everything? Oh, let's merge. Cool. So now, oh my god, what I have done. Now, here, any breaking changes here? Nope. Merge. So now, we'll be able to first here have, that was, interesting. I need to create a project for the TinyBlazorAdmin website. So here we'll have a new release, version 2. I'm adding some UI. So what would it be? Like 2.03 or 2.01? I think it should be a 2.01. And there's like a kind of a new feature, like kind of. It's not just bug fix. So now, if I go back in issues, oh, we could go with Get Cracking. If we go back in the board, so now, have a better grid. It was there. Oh, that feature request, show archive URL. Nope, it's not done. Adding validation. No, it's not done. Cleanup documentation. Help wanted. That's still a few. I think that one is done. Is it? I don't know. We'll need to check. So I cannot merge it. Request documentation. Landing page. Cool. So we have that. So now that is even in vNext, and now it's done. So we could close it. Closing. Cool. And now if I go in the TinyBlazorAdmin website, we have a bunch of stuff. Yeah, it's true, we need to change that. So we can close this. Close card. Close. Excellent. This is exciting. Yeah.
Yay!
This is exciting. So now we need to work on our release. And I'm bad at that usually because I'm always worried I'm doing it wrong. Yay! Indeed. So yeah, so in AzUrlShortener, I think in the problem is in AzUrlShortener there was not much. Like I'm just add a function, so we could go. You know what? What was the next one? The draft. The release. I didn't have any release. I thought I had. Oh no, it's not in that one. I'm using draft. It's my chatbot. Hey, congrats, you land, Type-Down-Pool. Going to land. Yeah. Excellent. So yeah, I think I will do 2.1. I'm adding a functionality. It's not bug fix, right? So yeah, let's do that. Let's do a quick tour before. So in here we should have we lost this. Interesting. We lost my animated GIF. So here I'm in the URL shortener. I'm in dev. It's not there. I'm not sure why I have all that code here. That shouldn't be all there. That's bad. Like it should be just a reference to the other project. Let's move to main. Yeah, so it's here. So I don't see an image here. Okay, so let's clean that up, right? So in this folder, I shouldn't have this. I shouldn't have that. I shouldn't have pages. I shouldn't have properties. Shouldn't have shared. Shouldn't have this. Shouldn't have this. I know I'm doing it like I could do 3. So here I have TinyBlazorAdmin look. Yeah, so apparently somehow open timeline. Yeah, see, it was there. But it's not here. Oh, maybe. So AzUrlShortener. Yeah, it's because I'm not up to date. But now I have all that removed. Oh, damn it. Cool. So now if we go back. But no, like, I'm in main, right? No, I'm not in main. That's why. Main. Okay, main. Now if I go, where is it? See the complete list. There it is. It's ugly, but it's there. Okay. I got confused for a little while, but I like that I cleaned that up. That's better anyway. Shouldn't be there. Okay, cool. So let's push that update. Deleting a bunch of stuff. Oh my god. SRC admin tool, TinyBlazor. Yep. Okay. Deleting ghost code straight to main. Boom. Excellent. So if we go back now, we are in main. I want to create a new release. If I go to release, now we have all that. 2.2 is already there. So now, oh, so then yeah, so draft a new thing. Tag version will be v 2.2.0. No, like right now I'm at version 2.0. Yeah, okay, so 2.1. 2.1.0. More statistic features and using stable dependencies. Let's remove this. Targeting main, yep. Publish the release. Cool. So now we have v2.1. So now if we go in, I have 15 minutes to do it. TinyBlazorAdmin website, we do our first version. Oh, it's already there. Look at that. Excellent. So that will be then version 1.1. Right? So we'll go here, we'll go in release, draft a new release, so version 1.1. using Sync Fusion and Grid and Chart for a pretty look. We could have the animated GIF. Do I have it somewhere? You know what's missing on that page? Oh, that's AzUrlShortener. Do I have a UI? Do I show how it looks? Oh no. That's interesting. Let me fix that. As usual, once in a while, my USB play games with me. And I'm back. I was there. Yeah. Okay, so I show what it looks like. So I don't need to have it in the version then, like it's already in the main. So I think that's it. 1.1, pretty, and now with statistics. I think that's good. Publish the release. Dun, 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 dun.
Fantastic! Oh,
that's cool.
Fantastic!
And now we have 10 minutes to chill. Thank you, thank you. Well, that's cool because now I'll be able to work, because I was worried, you know, like when the stuff is broken. So now TinyBlazorAdmin look cool. Look at that. That's a nice page. We did that last week, I think. Like nice grid, like super fancy stuff, and now like you could have like click statistics. We will improve the deployment. I have a bunch of people who helps me. Thanks everybody. That's pretty cool, right? So now we'll still have missing. So that's done. Right, let's validate. Right, before we call it a day. Oh no, so like is it the only one missing? Maybe I missed that one. Yeah, looks like that's the only one. Okay, so we can fix that. So that's in TinyBlazorAdmin website. Let's open that quickly. Boom. I should have done that before the release. Will I learn a day? Do you think? Not sure. So that was in deployment. There it is. And it's because it's not here. So what do? We do this. We do that. And there it is. Oh no, what's happening? Why can I? Oh no! For some reason, okay, so I add register client. So register client app, it's here. So now if I look at it, now it's there. Cool. So that's fixed. What was the number of that issue? It was 44? Is it 44 also online? Yep. So that should be fixed. Yeah, because I didn't do any PR, it doesn't show. I like when they like it shows stuff, right? So now if I go here, should be all good. Yep. Incredible. Excellent. Excellent. So we can close that thing here. Excellent. So now it's fixed. So what else? Automatic deployment. What, that's an issue? Really? Oh. No, this. What's the pull request number? Was it 20? It was 46. Right? Yes. 46. What's not there? Adding statistic and other improvements. Cool. So now if we go here, I need to finish. Excellent. Yeah, that one is a priority now. Like changing the configuration when you create the stuff, but the reason why I don't do that is I think I can manage to do it all automatically, so like then, you know, manual step won't be needed. So so that's cool for those two things. Here, issues, I think I covered them in the Git Kraken, right? Clean up, blah 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 blah. Yeah. And PRs, it was a bunch of bumps, still valid. because I don't want to do it right now. Expire date, functionality, and those two things now are the next one to check if everything is in order. But today I think that will be it. We'll call it a day for today. Did we have any new follower today? I don't think so. Who's the winner today? And also, if you have ideas of who we should raid, let me know.
April.
Oops. Let's go see Manning. API in Java. Oh. That's cool. PHP. What's Jeff is doing? Jeff is achievement matrix. Like the idea. What do you think? Let's rate Jeff. So, thank you all. Thank you for coming with me today. Very happy to have you with me today. Very happy also that I wish you a great day too, sir. DBD Gamer. I'm just about to wrap up here. I need to jump. I have a rehearse with my team for a talk tomorrow. Yeah, have an awesome day. Well, go raid Jeff, send him some love, have some fun, and I see you Friday to continue our stream game in Node because we're learning so much. See you there. Bye-bye. And boom. And